Hey everyone, so it's that time again. We're going to dive into one of the gorgeous frames here. Back to the Anna-Karin Karlsson stuff this time. I think we've actually made it through all the Varney stuff anyways. At least all the ones worth looking at. If there's one of those I haven't done, let me know. We'll get back to that another time. For now, these beauties are going to absolutely blow your mind. So as usual with everything from Anna-Karin Karlsson, the details are never overlooked. With this one, starting from the little logo impression in the very back of the temple tip, the ergonomic titanium temples, which are perfect for getting that really nice supple fit behind the ears. Titanium anyways feels nice and light and cool to the touch behind the ear, so that's always good. But that extra teardrop taper just does a really good job making it fit well back behind the ears. As we go up, this one actually has a rather simple plain temple until you get to the front. You'll start to see why the temples are a little bit more simple as we get around to the front. Now here we've got, of course, the two very well set stones on either side, adorned with that little AKK logo in the front. Just very simple design work from the back. Now this one, because of the way the frame front actually dips down into the lenses, this would be something a little bit more difficult to do in a prescription. Probably could be done with some care. I know some guys that have done crazier things for me. They can make it work, but these are best appreciated as they are. Every choice, every detail is absolutely exquisite, as it always is with this collection. That's why we love them. Now, coming back around to the front, of course, you can see the little AKK logo etched right there into the lens. Like all the others, these are Carl Zeiss lenses, and of course you can see even the depth on these stones is absolutely incredible. They pick up just really nice light refraction and reflection from different angles. Really makes for a nice, gorgeous, stunning frame. You can see even just that little bit of movement really makes the colors pop and sparkle and dazzle. The lens choice in this one, I'm actually really fond of. It's just a very light blue to pink gradient. It doesn't show up too well on the camera, so that's a little bit difficult to show off. But this taper selection choice really offsets the stones over here nicely. Helps balance the weight of the frame a little bit as well. So again, it's every little detail is extremely well thought out, from the placement of the stones, the way they taper down across the brow line, the way the lens is a little bit deeper at the front. And if we did prescription lenses, this cut here actually would work really well for progressive design because it's deepest where that inset would be for the reading area. So some advantages there too. Like I said, would not be the easiest to make prescription lenses for, but it can be done. Now, back to this frame front. Again, absolutely incredible statement piece. This is not something you're just going to wear and not be noticed. This is the pair you keep and you have them in the back corner for special events, or when you just feel like looking pretty, or as Elton John might say, you have a party every day, right? Because who cares? It's for us to enjoy what we like, and a frame like this, this is one that makes me even want to rock it, because why not, right? It's so incredibly gorgeous. And of course, back over to the other side, that temple's just mirrored all the way down, all the way back to that same little AKK logo on the back. And the finish on these is absolutely spectacular, but that's what we're used to seeing with these guys. And then these are, just like the others, all limited edition pieces. You got a fixed hinge on this one, a nice, thick, sturdy 3-barrel. That's not something you're gonna have to worry about failing typically. And there you go. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh, and we've lost focus. You gotta love this stuff sometimes. There we go. So this one's a limited edition piece. Again, everything she does is limited. It's a matter of how limited, not if it's limited. In this case, this is model 84 out of only 110 to be produced in this specific colorway. So, you know, obviously I have the choice of all the colors before I bring them in. This is the one that caught my attention the most. So of course I'm going to sit here and drool over it while we talk about it, because I just think it's a really, really pretty frame. You get into stuff like this, a little bit more avant-garde, a lot more artsy. This definitely is not something that's made for everybody. I think everybody can appreciate the artistic design that goes into this, and really just the incredible attention to detail again, just from the counterbalancing from a weight aspect, but also from an artistic aspect, that balance is really nice. It's nice and aesthetically pleasing. And even the way these little stones on the corners just pop out as you make your way around. They go very nicely either angle, even from the back to the front. They make a nice presentation as you flip back to that other direction. Of course, we've still got titanium nose pads on this one with that AKK crested logo in there as well. I could ramble on for days about this frame, and I'm sure you guys don't want to hear that. Sometimes you tell me you do. I'm not sure that I believe you. This one is probably as close to that as I'm going to let you get. So enjoy this guy right here. Now, if you do want to get one of these, let me know. Again, super limited edition stuff. Definitely on the pricey end, so expect to, cry a little bit when you find that out. But there you go. And as you guys know, I'm not going to do this review and not put it on. I'm not afraid of any of these frames. I don't care which one it is. It can be the sparkly, crazy one like this. I will still absolutely throw it on, even for just a second, to let you drool over it on a face. And you can see, again, this is still very prominent, very pronounced. It makes a statement, especially with a mask. I actually think this frame works better with a mask. Who knew, right? That's what the year is like. But look at, as I mentioned before, you get incredible light reflection and refraction off of the stones just because they are so well set and cut. And that design, I can't stop moving my head and drooling. So that's all I've got there. I'm going to have to stop and put this away. I will catch you guys next time. Give me some feedback on this video. Let me know your thoughts about this frame and more avant-garde artsy stuff like this. If you enjoy it, we're definitely going to be diving more into these guys as we go along, and I'll try and ramp up a little bit more on videos so we can get into that collection and go on to some other stuff. I'll catch you guys next time.